students, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson Banku. We have done reading in our Zoom class also, and I have sent you video on reading and explanation of Banku. Now today's turn is to solve book exercises. Okay, so now take out page number. So students, we will be discussing the question answers. So take out page number 97, comprehension A1. Choose the correct answer. First is, we know that Banku Babu was a mild-mannered man because he never laughed. Whenever you sit with somebody, you have to show some manners. But he was not laughing and not reacting, so he was mild-mannered. Second, Shripati Majumdar liked inviting people to his house because it made him feel important. Third, Chandri Babu was not interested to talk about rockets because he had not seen them take off. Fourth, Nidhi Babu, Chandri Babu and others laughed at Banku Babu because he was so quiet. Banku Babu left Shripati Majumdar house early because he was tired of being made fun of. Sixth, the pink light shining all around in the bamboo grove was coming from an upturned giant glass bowl. Okay? Question answers we will discuss in next video. In this video we will discuss only book exercises. Now come to page number 98. Question number B1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from those given in the brackets. 1. The school is closed on weekends. Beta, in these exercises, fill in the blanks are there, but the two options are there. One is of correct spelling. So you have to choose the option which has meaningful and correct spelling. Second, I love to collect seashells from the seashore. Third, she borrowed my umbrella when it started raining. Fourth, the moon is a satellite of the earth. Fifth, our science room has a glass case full of specimens of plants and animals. Sixth, I saw a small mummy preserved in the museum. Seventh, the child felt an electric current on touching the wire. Eighth, we suddenly heard a loud noise followed with the shattering of glass. Ninth, the old man walked stiffly because he had painful joints. 10th, my friend Sonal insisted me that I go to her house on her birthday. Okay. Now B2, fill in the blanks है, it is of spelling. इसको spelling का spell check बोलते हैं, type of dictation. And one side meaning is there. According to the meaning, we have to complete the spellings. So I am reading the correct spellings. First is puzzled. Second, invisible. Suppose I have said invisible. The meaning is given, cannot be seen. So from meaning we came to know the correct spelling, which word it is. Third, tradition. Fourth, wrinkled. Fifth, repeated. Sixth, important. 7, normally. 8, museum. 9, rocket. 10, specimen. Okay? So in this way we have done the page number 98. Now come to page number 99. In this page, again article is explained, a and the, and one more thing is explained. I am going to read for you. Okay, some, much, many. Some होता है ना कुछ, much बहुत सारा और many भी बहुत सारा, लेकिन many हम यूज़ करते हैं people के लिए और much हम सामान के लिए, much sugar and नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए. ठीक है, जैसे नॉट मच ऑयल, देयर इज सम मिल्क इन द ग्लास, मेनी सोल्जर्स, मच सोल्जर्स नहीं बोलते, मेनी सोल्जर्स, ठीक है। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी हैव टू यूज ए, एन और सम इन द ब्लैंक्स। अ डक, सम ऑयल, a picture, some music, a rocket, a foot, some tea, an apple, an orange, an egg, some milk, a computer, an elephant, an alien, an ant. ठीक है? So in this way we have used the a and the. Now on page number 100, again fill in the blanks are there. Now you after this exercise you will come to know about the much और many, ठीक है। much और many का आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आ जाएगा। हाउ मच वाटर डू यू ड्रिंक, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन, देखो उधर वाटर था नॉन लिविंग, तो हमने किसी की क्वांटिटी बताते है ना। जब क्वांटिटी की बात होती है तब हम मच यूज़ करते हैं, और जहाँ नंबर्स की बात होती है, हाउ मेनी नंबर्स, हाउ मेनी बनानास, हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन, तो वहाँ हम मेनी यूज़ करते हैं। How much does this book cost? How much oil is there? How many bananas? How much food we require? How many subjects? है ना? So now you come to know the difference between much and many. C3 again, a and the so all are mixed. Now you have to complete them. Julia wrote her name on the paper. Options are there, you have to choose correct one. I bought many books from the shop. She gave me a slice of her pizza. My mother makes me drink a glass of milk every morning. My friend gave me some chocolates today. They bought a bag of rice from the farm. The little girl plucked a flower from the garden for her mother. The government is going to launch a satellite into space next year. Could you give me some water? ठीक है। Now C4 question is just important because we do silly mistakes in this. Informations नहीं होते, only information. Furnitures नहीं होता, only furniture. Luggages नहीं होता, only luggage. Equipment ऐसा नहीं लगता है। Advice, ये 5 वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं, ये सिंगल के लिए भी ये यूज़ होगा और मेनी होंगे तब भी ये यूज़ होगा। ये सिंगल प्लूरल दोनों के लिए सेम वर्ड भी यूज़, ठीक है। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस 1 to 5 सेंटेंसेस आर गिवन एंड दे आर रॉन्गली रिटन, उसमें ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है। और नाउ फॉलोइंग द रूल कि ये सिंगल होते हैं, वी हैव टू करेक्ट द सेंटेंसेस। सो द लेडी बॉट अ फर्नीचर, नहीं अ नहीं आएगा, फर्नीचर। The lady bought furniture for the house. फर्नीचर होगा तो भी एक है, बहुत सारे हैं तो भी फर्नीचर्स होंगे, ठीक है बेटा। नाउ सेकेंड, फनी फैनी कैरिड हर मेनी लगेजेस, नो मेनी भी नहीं होता और लगेजेस भी नहीं होता है। फैनी कैरिड हर लगेज हर सेल्फ। थर्ड, मच इक्विपमेंट्स, नो द इक्विपमेंट यूज्ड इन दिस ऑफिस इज न्यू। Many informations wrong, only information in this book is not correct. She gave me a useful advice, no, she gave me useful advice, ठीक है। So these mistakes we used to do, but now you know the rule. Now following the rule you can solve the exercises. Now all exercises is not in use, so in next video I will send you the discussion on question answers, ठीक है। So till then have a nice day, go through the reading part properly, solve the book exercises. I will send you pics also. Start learning book exercises, then I will send you video on question answers. Till then have a nice day, goodbye.